than Twistees, and Twistees contains paprika. What's going on? Straight. Hello and welcome to a new Travel Malta video. Today I'm going to do a taste test. This is the question everyone is asking, and it was in the papers. Aren't Twistees still the same like they used to be in the bygone days, in the old days? So I'm going to try and taste some of these Twistees. Today I'm currently in Bratislava. I'm making some new videos here also. But this video isn't about Bratislava, it's about Twistees. I have a theory that some of the packets are not all the same. For some reason, the taste is somewhat different. Or it might be changed between a packet and another, I don't know. First thing is that this does not taste it's not too salty. It used to be more salty. It's mildly salty. You've got cheese, rice. It's a baked snack. If you're not familiar with Twistees, it's a popular snack in Malta. Here we have another snack in Malta called Crix. Let's try this. I'm going to be trying this also to see whether it is similar. Some people said it's similar to the old taste of Twistees. Well, there is a bit of slightly saltier. And the taste, you can taste the cheese much more. This doesn't contain any paprika, but it tastes a bit spicier almost than Twistees, and Twistees contains paprika. What's going on? Strange. More intense, so to speak. Let's try the Twistees again. Some people also said that the larger packet, this is a small packet, larger packets of Twistees taste more like the classical Twistees, like it used to taste. I don't know. Could be. I don't have one of the large packets today for taste test. Who wins between these two? Which one is the better Twisties? Twisties has paprika in the ingredients and salt. You can't taste the paprika. Who wins? I'm going to put it at a draw. Both have flavors which are very similar to the old Twisties, but it's not exactly the same, in my opinion. Just my opinion. Just my opinion. Doesn't taste the same. It's not as salty. They're using less salt, it seems. Okay, they claim that it's the same, produced in the same way, but it was in the papers that the ingredients are sourced differently, because of the war, apparently, in Ukraine. We know that they get the ingredients from Ukraine, but anyway, okay. So, which one is closer to the older Twisties? Current Twisties? Not really. It's different. It's like a milder version of Twisties. Crix. It's quite close. I think it's quite closer than Twisties. So, is it a draw, or does Crix win? I think for me it wins. It wins. It's a bit better. The flavor is slightly better. There's something there, which is better than Twisties. Twisties has become too bland. So, Crix